I will remind those who walk the path of Brahman Satyam. How did you begin your journey? When you were ignorant, how did you begin your journey? You had a belief. You had a particular belief. Yeah? What was your belief? I am the waker. You didn't even think about yourself as the waker. You thought of yourself as the person. The person in a pre-existing world. The world exists already. In that I am born. I am this person. Then, taking this one step deeper, this person, which is the body mind made of matter, in a world of matter, this person goes to sleep, lies down in bed, a beautiful cloud bed, goes to sleep and has dreams. Means this physical body has a mind inside it. Yeah, so now in your notebook, draw a big circle for the body. Big circle. Inside the big circle, you have a smaller circle, that is the mind. That is how you came from ignorance. With that understanding you came. So, first ignorance is I have a body. And then is, oh, inside that body there is a mind. And that mind sees dreams. Yes. And it didn't stop there, huh? It went on to the deep sleep. What is this third ignorance? The same body made of matter, lying on the bed, suddenly stops having the mind. The mind is not there. I am absent. But the body is still lying in bed. Only I am absent. Do you see this? So now draw a smaller circle inside the mind. Yeah. What is that smaller circle? Of being an individual. Yeah. Being an individual. Do you see this? Here in the deep sleep, that individuality is still there. I am still lying on the bed. The mind is not there, but I am still lying on the bed. Individuality is still there. You came from your ignorance, from I am the body, I have the mind inside the body, and I am that individual. That individual doesn't go anywhere. The individual is there. And again, after some time, the mind starts working. And then come back to the dream state. And now I come back to the body. Now this body is really an individual. In the waking, there are others. There is you, he, she, it. Therefore, there is an I. Individuality. Yeah? It is reinforced everywhere. And then there is the second level of ignorance or assumption that because there is an individuality here, this individuality is also seen in the dream. Therefore, dream is a reflection of the waking. The waking is higher than the dream. You give the waking higher priority than the dream. Yeah? This was ignorance. This is how we all came. I was a person in a pre-existing world, and because I gave this waking more importance, dream was a reflection of the waking. And here in the dream, the body is still lying on the bed. Yes, but only the mind is active. It is reflecting the waking. And then in the deep sleep, the body is still lying in the bed. Only the mind has disappeared. Here in the dream, the mind was projecting some reflection of the waking. But here in the deep sleep, The mind stopped projecting. But I am still there. Yes, very clear ignorance. You have a memory of this? This is the way the karma yogi thinks. The karma yogi still believes. Do you have clarity that you don't see it this way anymore? Karma yogi is still here, whereas I am not. Do you have this clarity? Yes, I am not at this ignorance.